today's class, we will learn about problems on Fourier series. Obtain the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to pi x in x greater than 0 less than 1 and pi of 2 minus x in x greater than 1 less than 2. Solution of this problem we'll see now.
Problem is obtain the Fourier series of the function pi x in x greater than or equal to 0 less than or equal to 1, another function pi into 2 minus x in x greater than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 2, and also show that the Fourier expansion of the function f of x is pi by 2 minus 4 upon pi into cos pi x upon 1 square plus cos 3 pi x upon 3 square plus cos 5 pi x upon 5 square plus so on. So solution of this problem we'll see now. Solution. So the given function we'll note down first. So f of x is equal to pi x in x greater than or equal to 0 less than 1 and pi into 2 minus x in x greater than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 2. So just see the arbitrary interval is there, that is 0 to 2 is the arbitrary interval. So here we'll consider the first function phi of x is equal to what here, pi x, and another function psi of x is equal to what here, pi into 2 minus x. So we have considered two functions. Now we'll test for even and odd. So the interval is 0 to 2. So first here we'll check for the value of L. So interval L is equal to 2L is equal to, so this is a lower limit and this is upper limit. So upper minus lower, that is 2 minus 0 is nothing but 2. So 2 cancels, so L value will be 1. So we got what here, L value will be 1. So therefore replace x by 2L minus x, or instead of 2L minus x I will replace L by how much here, 1. So it will be 2 minus x. So if on replacing x by 2 minus x in phi of x, if it turns plus times pi of 2 minus x, it even. If it is minus times pi of 2 minus x, odd. If it is not turning both, then we'll say it is general function. We'll see what will happen now. So phi of 2 minus x is equal to pi into 2 minus x. So here you can observe that, so pi into 2 minus x is the value of our psi of x plus times, so which implies the function f of x is even. If it is even function, we can say that the Fourier coefficient Bn will be 0. So which implies the Fourier series of period 2L is given by f of x is equal to a naught upon 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an into cos of n pi x upon L. So this is the Fourier series. I will give equation number 1 where the a naught value is even function 2 upon L 0 to L f of x into dx. Value of a naught, an is 2 upon L 0 to L f of x into cos of n pi x upon L into dx. So we'll find a naught and an, then we'll substitute in the equation number 1. So but we know that we have calculated the value of L is equal to what here? 1. So you're keeping in mind the value of L is equal to 1, in the above results we'll find the value of what here? A naught and an. So now we'll start with the first value, a naught. So a naught is equal to 2 upon value of L is 1, integration 0 to value of L is 1, f of x. So for the interval 0 to 1, the value of f of x is, for the interval 0 to 1, the value of f of x is pi into x. Remember, so we'll apply the function f of x as what here? Pi x, because our integral limit is what here? 0 to 1. For 0 to 1, f of x value is pi of x. We'll use this as a f of x value. Now then our integral result will become pi into x into dx. So pi is a constant, 2 pi upon 1 is 2 pi, integration 0 to 1 x into dx. So which is nothing but a naught is equal to 2 pi, integration of x is x square divided by 2, limit from 0 to 1, or 2 pi upon this 2 will take outside. So x square, apply upper limit, 1 square minus 0 square. So 2 cancels. So pi, 1 square minus 1 is 1. So finally we can say that, so a naught value is pi. So a naught value is how much here? We got pi. So now we'll work out for an. So an is equal to 2 upon L value is 1, 0 to 1. So f of x value is pi x into cos of n pi x upon L is 1. So I will write only n pi x into dx. So we'll apply by Bernoulli's rule. By Bernoulli's rule of integration, we'll apply, because this is u function, this is v. We'll keep u as it is and we'll integrate first. We'll see what is that. So an is equal to 2 in bracket. So we'll keep pi x as it is, because it is a value of u, into integration of cos is what here? Sine. N pi x upon n pi. Formula minus differentiation of pi x is pi 1 upon n pi you carry. Integration of sine n pi x is what here? Minus cos n pi x divided by n pi. Differentiation of pi, which is constant 0. So we'll stop it and we'll say the limit what here? 0 to 1. So therefore 2 into pi x into sine of n pi x upon n pi, minus minus plus. So this pi and this pi cancels, or else I will keep as it is now. So pi into cos of n pi x upon n square pi square, 0 to 1. So on applying upper limit, so if you replace x is equal to 1, sine n pi is 0. If you replace lower limit, so this will vanish completely. So an will become what here? So this pi and among this 1 pi cancels. So 2, this n square pi will I will consider as a constant, n square pi outside. What left only here? So cos of n pi x, limit from 0 to 1. So 2 upon n square pi n square pi, apply upper limit, it will be cos of n pi minus cos of lower limit is x is 0 means cos of 0. So therefore finally, so an is equal to 2 upon n square pi into cos n pi is nothing but minus 1 raised to n, cos 0 is 1. So therefore we got the value of an as what here, 2 upon n square into pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So using these a naught and an value, the equation 1 becomes f of x is equal to a naught value, we got it as pi, so pi formula divided by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity, an value is 2 into minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by n square pi into cos of n pi x upon L value is 1, so we'll neglect it. So this is our equation number 2, because we need to go for the deduction part here. So using 2 we'll go for deduction, so or expansion. So deduction part or expansion of our equation number 2. So as we know that cos function is there, so at that time we'll think of applying the value of what here, x we need to check here. So here first we'll think of what here, n pi x will not replace the value of x. So here we have minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So you see here, so minus 1 raised to n minus 1 is nothing but, if you replace n is equal to even numbers. So even numbers means what here, 2, 4, 6. So what happens here, so it will become 1 minus 1. If you put n is equal to, n is even, it will become 0. And if n is odd, so n is odd means 1. So minus 1 minus 1. So 2, if 3 is there, minus 1 minus 1, you will get what here, minus 2 if n is what here, odd. So minus 1 raised to n minus 1, if n is even we'll get 0, if n is odd value, so we'll get minus 2 here. So remember, so when you apply here we'll go for that. So therefore the function f of x will be what here, so f of x is equal to, because I am not replacing the value of x, so f of x is equal to, because as per the required result we need to bring that one, pi by 2 as it is. So here 2 upon pi is a constant from the series, 2 upon pi is a constant. Then for remaining thing we'll apply the value of n is equal to what here, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. If you put n is equal to 1, so this 2 upon pi already out, n is equal to 1 means what, 1 is odd number, so we'll get minus 2 in the numerator, divide into cos of n is 1 we have taken, so cos of pi x divided by 1 square. If n is equal to 2, even number 0, so next term is plus 0, 0 into anything is completely 0. Next plus again odd number, if odd number is coming, odd number is 3 here, so minus 2 into cos of 3 pi x divided by 3 square, even number 0, plus one more term I will introduce here, plus odd number means what here, will get minus 2 into cos of that even number is 5, odd number is 5 here, so 5 pi x divided by 5 square. Next is odd 6 is even number, will get 0, plus so on. So therefore on final simplification, f of x is equal to pi upon 2 plus 2 upon pi. So what we'll get here, this minus 2 all, so we'll take minus 2 outside. So what left here, so cos of pi x upon 1 square, so minus 2 is outside, plus cos of 3 pi x upon 3 square, this minus 2 is outside, plus cos of phi x upon phi square plus so on. So, or I can say that f of x is nothing but finally f of x is equal to pi by 2 plus into minus is minus, 2 2s are 4 upon pi into cos pi x upon 1 square plus cos of 3 pi x upon 3 square plus cos of phi pi x upon pi square plus so on. So this is a required series what they have asked here. But if you replace the value of x, will get what here, particular value here. But if means what value of x you will replace, so x will be replaced by 0. So if you replace x is equal to 0, you will find what here, one of the solution in the form of what here, and purely in a series result you will get in the form of what here, numbers. So if you replace x is equal to 0, you will get one result. If you replace x is equal to pi, you will get another series. So right now we don't have this requirement. So as per the requirement, this is our deduction part.